Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to change the language at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, let me tell you, whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. So for that, just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. So just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point, additional settings. Look for a gray icon with a big white point in it and three gray points in it again. Okay, now you will need the second point, languages and input. And now you will need the first point, languages. Okay, and now you are at the place you want it to be. You can choose now one of many languages. Okay. Let's keep going on maybe here for our video in English again. We can choose also a local dialect here. Maybe let's keep going on here with English with the dialect of India. Greetings, by the way. And now my phone is here in English with the dialect of India. On your case, in your language. As you can see, pretty easy. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've got also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.